Parang ano 'to, no, more than a week, less than 2 weeks after the arrest of former President Duterte. And clearly may push. Kasi tingnan mo dun sa sabi ng Pulse Asia, yung fill out rate, ibig sabihin yung ilan yung nililista na pinipili nila. Ang dami sa Visayas at Mindanao, 10. Tig-10.
Mm.
Ibig sabihin, mas marami silang nililista o pinipili kesa sa NCR at Balance Luzon. Even higher than the Philippines.
Mm. Prof,
Okay, so may push na, iboto nyo to. Either this was also because of the looming impeachment. So before pa, merong ganong push, or um, talagang na-solidify after the arrest of former President Duterte. Pero ang pwede naman rin namang interpretation, walang push, active push from PDP Laban, pero talagang pulso ng mga tao yon. So pwedeng yun yung nakikita kong interpretation. Bakit mas maraming nag-fill up sa Visayas at Mindanao.